Ayan. So, wait lang guys, ay naayos ko pa yung live, nagloko kasi yung live natin. So, right now, big shoutout sa mga nandito agad guys, and na-reveal agad yung ano natin, yung magiging i-interview natin, pero bibigyan ko sana siya ng intro muna. But yeah, big shoutout sa mga nandito guys, and big shoutout sa lahat ng mga sumusubaybay guys. And welcome to also the Tsismisan guys, and we'll be talking about a lot of things today. We'll be talking about technical analysis, and we'll be talking about, of course, your favorite, which is gaming and in cryptocurrency and Web3. But let me fix the live first real quick so that it will be easy for everyone to see yung ano natin, yung stream natin guys. Okay, so yan. Bakit nagganito talaga? Ayos na to kanina. So, yeah. Okay. So, we'll be interviewing one of, well-known people in the, sa Philippines in terms of when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And most of you guys, I think, know because we've been talking about this guy. Okay. And we've been following most of his trading journey, and of course pinag-uusapan natin siya sa membership. So pag mga technical analysis, we always like see a lot of ideas from different people, but we always like tend to go back to this person, and this guy has a very different approach to technical analysis, and of course kung saan siya talaga nakilala way back pa nung Axie Infinities. But we already invited this guy, and na-invite na natin siya dati, and his name is Crypto Fortune. Okay, but I always call him Aldrin. Yan. Si Boss A. Then I hope you guys enjoyed this live kasi pinipare ko siya ng mga questions. Hindi niya alam yung questions, okay? Baka sabihin nyo, scripted to. Then feel free to actually also ask your own questions dito sa may comment section natin. If hindi pa kayo naka-like, naka-subscribe, and mag-share, ayokong i-cut off siya pa nag-explain. So mag-like and mag-subscribe and mag-share na kayo, mag-comment down below. Hindi kayo makakapag-comment, hindi kayo makakapagtanong kung hindi kayo naka-subscribe, so mag-subscribe kayo. But let me also welcome our speaker. His name is Crypto Fortune. Paulit-ulit na. I just wanna give him the the thank you muna kasi ang dami niyang interviews, and he gave us an opportunity para alam niyo, mabigyan tayo ng chance at marinig natin yung ideas niya. And especially right now, nagpredict ako na I think everything is now shifting back to risky narratives, and we are looking at gaming again. We're gonna touch grass from what we have, siguro infrastructures, then whatever the narratives I mentioned here on our channel, then we're going back again there. And it's not bad, but let's hear it from Crypto Fortune, and magi-intro muna siya. Syempre, pakilala muna ulit siya. Baka kasi sa inyo, iba dito, hindi pa siya kilala. But I hope you guys know him already. But yeah, let's talk to Mr. Aldrin. Sir?
Hey guys, kita ba ako? Okay ba yung audio natin, bro?
Okay, let me check. Okay ba daw yung audio sa mga nanonood, guys?
Please, comment.
Ayun. Ayan. So, give me...
Comment if okay yung audio natin. Ayan. Thank you sa pag-invite dito. I'm very excited to share my experience dito and ideas in crypto space. So if you have questions, guys, just ask sa live chat or after inyo mapanood tong video na to sa replay, no? Pero yeah, I started my journey sa crypto space back in 2016. So, bear market during that time, I transition to bull market. So, majority siguro nung holdings ko that time is that, hindi naman, I started small lang talaga and I lost my first 3 months something. So, siguro isa sa mga mistakes ng newbies na pagdaanan ko yung pag may nakita ako isa sa mga coin, I sorted nung coin na sobrang taas and then I chased that. So that's the mistakes na experience ko, and I think it was good naman kasi I learned from those mistakes and I reflect those mistakes naman. I started my YouTube channel. It's very important din sa end ko kasi being a trader, if you do content creation, doon papasok yung review, validations. Mapapansin mo na lang sa pag-edit mo ng video na okay, ito yung part na may mali ako sa trades ko. So, ano yung naging approach ko, ano yung naging behavior ko during that time. So, yun, isa din sa naging maganda for me na I do content creation, and at the same time I learn from those losses during or when I edit my contents, no? And yung ano ko naman, yung name ko naman na Crypto Fortune, it's basically started yan kasi I've been playing Dota 1, tas bantay ako sa computer shop dati. So so parang just to earn extra income to yung college para maitawid yung college. So nasa shop, nagbabantay ako sa shop, and then yung John, yung CHUN na username is that, kumbaga parang bully name lang yun sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko rin sa laro, which is Chon. Kasi during that time parang uso yung mga, I think Taiwan or Korean movies ata yung parang hotshot something na, tapos yung buhok ko yung tas yung buhok ko during that time yung 5 minutes lotar sa loob, bro. Medyo mahaba yung buhok during that time.
Hindi ko gusto ko sana palawakin pa para mahalata yung edad ko. Pero yeah, yun yung mga 5 minutes tapos jungle bilis. So anyways, the last time I invited you here was way back 2021, and I was really amazed kasi most of the people that yung 3,000 subscribers pa lang is really very small, and right now I'm still small, and when I invited a lot of people, I learned that from Vinerchuk, and we have the same pseudo mentor. Now I emailed everyone, like of course doon sa 100 na tao na yun, of course there's one person will say yes. And whether ano man yung subscribers niya o ano man yung takes niya, syempre pipiliin mo yun, and it's gonna be on you already. But when it comes to the yes and no's, it will be them. So ikaw yung unang nag-yes, and kaisa-isa ang nag-yes sa akin kasi 3K lang ako nun. And I don't know why. Then it's crazy because I know that you will not say no during that time. Maybe I underestimated myself. Then I said, this guy knows every single bit on the current narrative when it comes to gaming, and here we are, and nasa pangalawang episode na tayo ng ating invite, and I really appreciate you. I know how busy it is, but let's get to our question. So right now I'm seeing a lot of things in cryptocurrency right now. Then with Bitcoin currently testing 74 kasi nag-73 na tayo, and everyone's so bullish, and when we drop from 72 800 etc, tapos nag-drop tayo back to 71, or may ibang exchanges na nag-70 etc, what would be your short-term strategy there, and moves based on your technical analysis or for your next quarter?
Okay. Short term, no, short term perspective for BTC, no. So maybe we can check that so for our something. Again, it's my own ano ko lang to. Perspective, no. Don't take my words, guys. Again, we just talking here. Ano lang, just an ideas lang, not financial advice, no. So, yun. For me, it's very challenging to do technical analysis right now, unlike last year. Pero if we take a look the price action, it's very momentum talaga right
True.
now. Can be retested anytime yung 88k territory, but I don't guarantee na ma-retest niya in the next coming. We'll see. I don't have any magic ball, no. Pero short-term downtrend ko dyan is that the previous highs, which is around 69k territory, kasi normally if the price actions breaks yung previous highs, it's normally back to its potential retest zone, which is yung previous resistance, no, which is around 69, yung all-time high ng 2021 something.
Yes.
So yeah, that's my initial retracements in short term for BTC, and we'll observe the price action. If it's break below 69k territory, maybe we can see some further decline. 68 is very vital support then if we can take a look, because of these institutions buying on that zones or on that territory. So yun yung isa sa perspective ko, bro, na tinitingnan sa price actions with BTC right now.
Actually, I totally agree with the sentimental, on a sentimental perspective, because I'm gonna leave you the technical analysis part. But in terms of sentimental, I totally agree with the 68, 69, especially with the NYC is trying now to be greedy about yung greediness nila when it comes to trading Bitcoin, and especially with incoming news left and right are also bullish. So I think it will be feasible as well kung i-combine ko yung sentimental and technical when you said like it needs to be retraced, because that's how it works. But on a perspective of a person who's onto like sentimental, magandang makita natin yung market na we're trying to retrace current highs that we broke, especially if napaka-importante yung levels na yun. Kumbaga sa sentimental, yung mga taong yun, ay, naiwan sila dito eh. Let's give them a chance to hop in back to the market, and they will be part of the liquidity again for testing the new highs, then transfer that money to the smart money, something like that, or vice versa, into the market. So more on sentimental yung kaya ko ibigay ngayon, but I totally agree with those levels as well, which I talked about as well with previous lives. But I have another question here. Looking at the long term, since those are your short term and your next moves, let's say pa-clean lang natin, but we're looking at the long term horizon of 2024. Sabihin natin Q3, Q4 is a vital cues of a year, especially if, you know, katulad na wake me up when September ends, meron tayong tinatawag na bloody August na tinatawag consistently over the years. Then meron tayong tinatawag na halvening. After halvening, 3 months of sideways or bearishness na tinatawag, in order for them to reassess or get back into the market. What is your technical analysis or your standpoint telling you about Bitcoin's potential price trajectory over these periods?
Okay. Yun. So new price discovery, yung price actions ni BTC right now, no, but high probability that can be retested ngayong mention natin. And it's hard to give exact zones or territories kasi we just reacting to the market, no. Being technical trader, it's hard to predict, no. We don't normally predict
Yeah.
rather than reacting doon sa price actions na nakikita natin. But yun, for the sake na lang siguro ng maybe hypothetical if ever man na magkaroon to ng galaw sa upside after halving event, after the demand of ETF. um Q2 is actually end ng Q2, which is around May, June, is that a retracement month upon observation from its previous historical data for the price action ng ROI ni BTC. Pero past performance does not guarantee yung future results. Maybe we can see some maybe below 100k maybe November. That's one of the high ROI month for the price actions ni BTC, majority nung month na yan. So yeah, I'm seeing maybe below 100k maybe November this year.
Yeah. Because I was thinking about na loss ako dun sa nung sinasabi mo yung 100k, most of the people are like really saying, no, we're gonna end this year with 100k because we did all-time high before halving. You know, like we keep on injecting bull medicine. Then everyone is becoming euphoric, and which scares me as a sentimental trader. I hate it. I hate to admit na sometimes I'm reactive, but I make sure that I'm the first one to react. Especially binubuhos ko yung oras ko. Like most of my time, I only have like 4-hour job, and I decided to do that instead of like going 8 hours, 10 hours, etc. I already decided, okay, I can trade, suffice, or i-transfer tong mga kinikita ko sa crypto to sa mga pang araw-araw ko. Then 4 hours na lang ako magtatrabaho. Then you mentioned 100k. What's your sorry, isisingit ko lang to. What's your what's your take? Are you saying that we can go 100k, or andun ka rin ba sa perspective na 100k before, or since you mentioned below 100k before the end, what do you think?
100k is just a isa sa siguro optimistic price action target yan for this year, kasi as mentioned, I mentioned the potential retracements din before we hit that. Other factors din kasi is that itong ETF sobrang lakas din nito tapos magkakaroon ata ng monetary easing. Nasa US ka ngayon, bro, no? So
yes,
they will potentially they will allocate some assets sa mga risk assets, and BTC is one of that. And then I think it's election year.
True.
Then so isa din yan sa mga drivers. Bitcoin halving is different from previous halving, no? Mas below 1,000 na lang makukuha ng mga miners.
Yes.
Unlike before na around, if I'm not mistaken, 1.6 or 1.8 something. Pero yun, it will put scars dun sa presyo nitong si BTC. Yun yung isa sa nakikita ko na factors, but then again, it will have a maybe potential retracements. September, yan yung mga month na tinitingnan ko, and then June. But as mentioned kanina, it not totally guaranteed kasi kung nangyari man ito before, it does not guarantee na mangyari ulit, no? Pero yun yung isa sa mga basis ko for the current price action, since it was break na yung all-time high. So high probability ng potential new price discovery and retest sa upside. But retracements is very important for the healthy move.
That's true. Actually, yun nga yung iniisip ko kasi sinabi mo yun sa halving. But there are some pressures kasi talaga now that we have a current news right now na meron tayong tataasan ng, alam mo yan, crypto tax tong mga mga nasa mining. So 30%, we cannot like blame everyone or anyone, and it's gonna be like gonna test this people's resiliency if they're gonna close their mining, or are they gonna push through, or lilipat sila ng ibang bansa. But in the end, long term, I think I really agree with you. You're also like hinting, in the end of the day, in the end of like this years and coming years, it will still like hit those levels. It always breaks that it hasn't changed for the last years since 2010 nung nagsimula lahat ng to. It never changed. It just keeps on like breaking a lot of highs na sinasabi ng mga tao na, oh, okay, we're just gonna be like stopping here and we're gonna sideways, just like the stocks or any other companies na tinatry i-compare dun sa current market cap na to. Then, we just keep on like replacing the current market cap na tinitignan natin for this year. Sometimes we are higher, then we eliminate each and every one. Sabihin natin, now we're trying to reach higher market caps na pwede natin nang burahin yung Tesla, burahin yung gold, etc. etc. But yeah, thank you so much for that one. Kasi nalinawan ako, may mga ganun akong tanong talaga sa isip ko. But you've been actively charting and analyzing Bitcoin's price movement, and it was evident dun sa mga sinabi mo. You're very kumbaga into it, and you're very knowledgeable, but like we said here sa mga nanonood, please do not deem it as like an advice. We're not financial advisors, whatever or whatnot, or like we're really close to it. We're not. Okay, it's just like our small talks, catching up, parang ganon. Tapos parang sa inuman lang, tamang lang, ebas lang to, guys. Okay, wag kayong maniniwala, and we're just talking about it. But what are your I have a question here. What are your key indicators that you use? Okay, kasi gusto ko matuto sa'yo. May mga in-invite ako, natuto din ako. They have SMC, we have talagang basic like support and resistances, like ganun lang. Especially if if most of the money are now in spot, because we're being heavily influenced by BlackRock. What are your indicators, your chart patterns that you use, or do you have confluence or mga taong sinusundan, or mga pseudo mentors mo for your analysis, etc.?
Yeah, yung trading for me, it's self mastery. So isa sa mga indicator ko na ginagamit, it's totally basic lang, as long as na hindi mag-contradict sa emotion mo, for example sa end ko. Para sa akin, kahit simple, as long as effective siya, yun yung pinaka-importante. SMC, medyo para sa akin halos kaparehas lang din siya ng basic na support resistance. It's basically go through the support lang din yung price action, pupunta ng resistance and apply retracements. Pero it's very important. Siguro isa lang sa na-observe ko, people just look for like a 1-year time frame, or sa 1-year chart price actions without validations dun sa previous trajectory ng price action, which is very important if you're trading, kasi dun mo makikita yung timing. If I get the trajectory ng pag list niya sa isang platform, like for example, meron siyang record back in 2009 until 2023, so I get that price action, yung pinaka wider perspective niya from weekly time frame, and then I plot these 4 stages ng market cycle, and that time you can conclude those areas kung saan yung potential trajectory ng price actions, like accumulation, advancing, distribution, and declining. So yung apat na yan, it's very simple lang if you want to do long-term strategy, swing trade, no? So that's pretty basic. Pero sa scalping, I normally use before last year, I utilize itong VWAP and stochastic.
Yes.
And then I have some experience and ideas din sa naked charting by using price actions lang. So I applied lang yun sa scalping. And for me, during bull market, it's very overwhelming to trade. It's very challenging. Unlike during accumulation phase ng market cycle, bear market, kasi sobrang yung confirmations ng VWAP and other indicators na ginagamit mo is that mataas yung probability, no? Comparing right now na it's better to hold or to integrate your setup sa bots and then lower the leverage or those spot trading kasi it will be eaten lang yung setups mo na yun, yung parameters na yun ng volatility. It's as mentioned, it's very hard, challenging to trade during bull market. One of the strategy dyan is just to diversify your assets or maybe holding. And some, say for example, there's some other opportunity like Launchpool or other new projects that you can participate. I think that's a good strategy comparing to do scalping kasi say for example the price action last night is that retrace around 68 at 69 territory. Yeah, pull back quickly naman, so it's hard to I think yun yung pinaka-strategy ko naman. I think sa iba effective naman na makapag-trade during this bull market, but for me it's very overwhelmed talaga. And if last year kasi I have these positions accumulation ng other coins na pang ready talaga sa next phase ng market cycle. So yun yung ano ko siguro. It's basic lang ang isa importante, simple pero effective na setup, support resistance, this VWAP, price action if you do naked charting, and siguro hindi ko mawawala yung experience kasi yung experience is isa sa mga sobrang importante na experience kasi if meron kang experience, yung experience mo na yun will convince sa'yo na i-follow mo yung setup na to. So yun siguro yung isa sa strategy na maybe sobrang practical, sobrang essential para sa akin.
Yes, I totally agree as well. Hindi ako lagi nag-agree sa'yo. Okay, hindi ko sinasabing gano'n kasi baka sabihin ng mga tao, lagi nag-agree, sinasabi, sip-sip lang tayo. Hindi. Kasi ako, me myself, I'm using as well VWAP. Nakikita naman yun ng mga members, yung mga nagbabayad dito sa channel. And I do a lot of naked charting as well. Ayoko yung marami ako masyadong nakikitang lines. It just increases my emotions, you know? Like, and it just adds up parang fuel to the fire na dapat ito na yung ano mo. Then you will have this like PTSD na dapat yun yung naging action mo, pero dahil dito sa indicator na to, that doesn't really work. Pero sometimes it works, and if it works, it really hits this spot. Pero katulad ng sinabi ni Crypto Fortune or ni Aldrin here, dun sa idea ng everything above and everything here, wala lahat ng yun kung wala kayong time in the market. If you don't have time in the market, all of your indicators, all of those monthly subscriptions that you pay every single month, not here but TradingView, Dune, data aggregators, etc., mga indicators na pwedeng idagdag sa TradingView, those are gonna be like dust kasi it will not work if you don't like have your personal journal or experience sa market. So also I wanna give like emphasis dun sa sinasabi na eto siya, experiencado na siya. Then, ako, I can add fire dun sa sinabi niya na most of the traders right now are profiting in spot. Makikita natin yan sa data na maraming naliliquidate pag nasa bear. Pero yung value ng liquidation ngayon, marami din. Pero yung value nun is hindi malaki kumpara doon sa mga nasa bear market. Kung makikita nyo siya, meron tayong mga 400 million. We have 2 billion liquidations pag nagbe-bear. But when it comes to the bull, specifically no 53K, etc., we only see like 20 million, 40 million, 70 million. That's so small. Liquidation na hinahanap ng mga in order to really say, oh, we already reset, and we did. Since he mentioned that we did really somehow touch 68K. If you don't want to believe that, I think you will be, I think it's a scary game for you already kung hindi kayo maniniwala sa sarili nyo na kailangan ko ng time dito. Then, I want to see what the market is trying to do. Tapos nag-reset na tayo ng 68 nung kamakailan eh. We did the 69. So that's a slight reset that I can say na I think 80% nag-reset na tayo and we can now break highs. I think it's a small pass. Na-sweep na natin yung mga nagsasabi magbe-bear. Pero nakakita tayo ng strong push up sa market. So what's the reason for us not to believe? But yeah, we've seen some traction. Ito na. So I want to shift the alam ko naboboard kayo kasi technical analysis, etc. You've been wanting to see ano yung thumbnail mo. So kasi hindi. We will talk about it right now. So ito yung tanong ko sa iyo, brother. We've seen some traction and money flowing into gaming sector lately. And my channel, we were early. We are early. We have I gave a specific gem to them. I didn't say na trade nyo to, hindi ganun. Sinabi ko lang na I think this game is gonna gonna go up there, and it's really close to this kind of game, and it will go up. But I don't wanna spill that first kasi I wanna hear your perspective first doon sa money flowing into the gaming sector lately. Do you agree with that one? Are we going back there?
Yeah. May cycle din yung GameFi, yung mga play turn. I think yan, kumbaga hindi hatakin siya ng bull market eh. For me, isa sa mga drivers din, like you can see yung pinakamayaman na tao sa buong mundo, which is Elon Musk, naglalaro nung like Diablo for something.
Sure.
So yeah, I think play turn is one of the potential drivers din sa bull market. And in terms ng like volume, money flow, kung saan pumupunta, upon observation, after meme sector last week, meme and AI sector
True.
doing this new all-time highs, and recently we can see volume sa play to earn. Like recently yung Ron nagkaroon ng all-time highs kanina. I totally agree with that
may money flow talaga. Yeah. So I for you as a experience na nagpapaisko dati, and idol ko talaga to, guys. Guys, ang daming hinawakan nito. Okay, naiisip ko paano yung ginagawa yun. Tapos doon ko nakita na okay, sinasabi niya sa akin dati na maliit pa yun. May nakita ko mas malaki. Then doon ako nag-agree sa kanya, mas maliit pa pala yung sinasabi niyang meron siya. Then nung pagpunta ko doon sa pinaka-community talaga, okay, ang dami nga, meron umaabot 600, and those are really early, and he's one of the earliest, and no one believed in him na okay, I think this is the new bridge to how we will be boosting the whole narrative for cryptocurrency as a whole, for as a market sa buong finance, sabihin natin. But do you have any specific layer 1 blockchain that you're looking at right now or you're betting on right now when it comes to gaming or focusing on gaming?
Actually, sa layer 1,
Mm-hmm.
I think yung Ronin is type of layer 2 na ba siya, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi before they just trading Ethereum, tas nagkaroon sila ng mainnet, no?
Yes.
Tama ba? Can be considered as layer 1 na ba siya?
Yes, I think I think I will say that they're trying to push layer 1, of course, because of what they're trying to transition on, because they want to make sure that the money in their ecosystem like flows in there to stimulate the older games to new games. Then, you know, like they have a new rotation inside their ecosystem. So I would say yes, they're trying to do a layer 1 system, and also they're pushing a layer 2 interoperability system wherein they can also reconnect back again to Ethereum. Yun yung mga nakita ko lately. But yeah, thank you kasi I wanna hear it from you. Ayoko mo mag-assume, oy guys, tingin ko si Crypto Fortune nagro-Ronin to, guys. And I gave a shot call as well with Ronin, guys. Walang pumapansin nito, but I tell you guys, there's only one king in the NFT gaming. And they need to give chance to the king first in order for us to prove that we are already gaming already for the rotation. And we did, and we were able to see a specific market structure. We were able to trade it, then we were able to still hold some of it. We sold a little bit early ng 48k ng BTC, tried to hop back in, but the crazy volume flowed in already, and we got left out. 50% were still in there, but right now, do you have any layer 2s na tingin mo makakatulong ngayon sa gaming, or meron ka bang tinitignan ngayon for layer 2s?
Yeah, for layer 2 naman, I think yung base will have this. I think layer 2 ata to si base, no?
Yes.
So, yep, base is sobrang sobrang laki niya kung tutuusin eh. It's owned by Coinbase eh. So,
yeah.
Grabe if i-inject yan sa GameFi, yung money flow, kumbaga flooded yung P2 if magkaroon ng some integrations itong si base, no, with the blue chip play to earn na itong for me, I consider Ronin as blue chip for play to earn and GameFi sector. Yun. And layer 2, I think in terms of funding, base is one of, for me, sobrang laki nitong si base if ever man na magkaroon ng integrations between play to earn. But yeah, actually meron na si base din, na may mga new partners na si base na nagkaroon ng integration sa play to earn. So yun yung isa sa
yun nga yung iniisip ko actually. Pero gusto ko malaman kung are they going to like have cooperations, or like, kasi syempre layer 2 sang pinofokusan ng ngayon ng Ethereum. Hindi yan hindi yan magko-compete with gaming. They're always like here to say, oh, okay, you can whatever you want in this world. We're still the base. Parang we're still the yung pinaka semento ng lahat ng to. Pag tumigil kami, it will be a chain of reaction, parang ganon. So, how do you see this ideas connected to Denkun EIP na set up?
I just want to correct lang. Base is not yet on the market. Yeah, not yet on the hindi pa siya, kumbaga pa lang siya. It's a network pa lang, wala pa siyang
Wala pa siyang
sa
ano.
market.
Tinitingnan ko yung
Ah.
base protocol kanina ko yun. So I wanna connect it as well later on. So that's why I mentioned about the Denkun AIP. So
Okay.
guys, hindi yun. I was just looking at it. I thought that was it because it was similar, a little bit similar dun sa logo, but it's not the base protocol. So do not deem it as, you know, guys, we're not talking about it. I'm just like scheming around the coin gecko. So yeah, yun nga, may tanong ako about the Denkun EIP. The Denkun EIP update, everyone's so bullish about it, and they're saying na we can push the price up further for Bitcoin. But let's focus on gaming. How do you see yung base? Are they going to, tingin mo, may chismis ka ba dyan? Or may ano ka, since marami kang network, baka may naririnig ka ng, I think this base is trying to also focus on Denkun EIP updates, then in order for them to also drive all the, you know, potential market na bago pa lang sa sa gaming, mapush natin papunta dito sa Ronin, sabihin natin, etc. Parang ganun.
Yeah, in terms of development naman, there's no competition naman na nangyayari. It's all about collaboration naman. For the Denkun upgrade, it totally helped itong mga future modular blockchains and roll-ups, no? Yun yung isa sa mga developments itong Denkun upgrade, as well as to lower yung fees. For some aspects naman ng gaming, for sure, no, it totally helps if ever man na mag-build yung isang for example, Ronin, tapos meron siyang roll-ups na play to earn something. So Denkun upgrade could totally help as well. Maybe yung concept ng Ethereum can be pattern as well sa Ronin, no? So may mga ganong scenario na pwedeng mangyari, but yung series ng protocol upgrades with Ethereum is one of the price driver din yan, as per my experience. No, there's a lot of upgrades happened last few years ago, just like from the start, which is Frontier, Homestead, we have Paris, Shanghai, Istanbul upgrade, yung mga soft fork, hard fork na yan na nangyari before. We have merge na noong September 15 na isang deflationary mechanism ng Ethereum. So yeah, for sure, it will totally help yung mga yung mga blockchains that use Ethereum before, just like Ronin. Before, I think they just do testnet sa Ethereum before they become layer 1 blockchain sa GameFi later on.
Yan. So, since you mentioned all of those, the updates and kasi may nagtanong dito, sinabi niya na doon sa mismong membership chat na mostly with the updates of yun nga, he does see the updates or the Denkun upgrade as a bullish upgrade in a short term, and it's very evident. I would agree, most of the updates of Ethereum is not like very easy to understand right away. It's more of okay, ito yung resulta, then experience the change. If it's positive, then okay, why not buy Ethereum? If you're a speculator, then ikaw yung unang kikita talaga. So it's always like how it works, and I hope everyone understands that, because most of the people, like 80%, it's always 80-20 lang naman yan eh. 80% of the people will not really understand what we're trying to push here, sabihin natin with Ethereum, especially in Denkun, di ba? Especially dun pa lang sa pangalan, ang hirap na, hindi mo na mahanap agad yung meaning. So with the other updates naman sa mga ibang blockchain, okay, alam ko na yung gustong sabihin nito, ZK rollups, okay, alam na natin yung gagawin niya, okay, EVM, okay, gets ko na yung EVM, etc. So something like that. So same with Ethereum. I think we're already shifting with the Ethereum. They're trying to be futuristic with the resolutions as well. They're trying to anticipate what will be the next generation problems. So more of like Ada Cardano already. But Ada Cardano, let's not go out of the topic. Hahaba to, ang daming mga Ada police dito mahilig sa Ada. But yeah, I have a question here since we're talking about games already. I don't want to go with the gaming infrastructures already. I hope everyone is cleared about that. Ronin siya. Then ako, I will say more on AVAX, but I will explain why later. But right now, do you have any specific games, even though kahit nasa labas ng Ronin or whatever, whether currently available or upcoming, okay, that you're particularly bullish about, or sentimental wise or technical wise, sabihin natin, or fundamentally wise? Can you briefly discuss about this and what's the reason? Then isa-search ko dito sa screen, papakita ko sa kanila.
Yeah, I have this, I think 3 weeks ago, I give perspective kay Mavia, comparing it to its total supply kay AXS, which is Mavia is around 250M.
Yeah.
Tapos AXS around 270M. So that's all-time high ni AXS around, if I'm not mistaken, 140 something in USDT, if not mistaken, for AXS.
So ito, may comparison ako pinakita sa kanila. So we have yan nga. So for AXS, we have a total market cap of 1.7 billion. Then we have 200-ish playing around, kung kasama natin fully diluted. So we're probably tama talaga 250 to. 250 to kung kasama lahat ng calculation. So market cap, yes, playing around 220 to 250. Then yeah, go ahead, sir. Sorry.
Yeah. Medyo mataas na rin itong si Mavia kasi I've been discussing this around below $3.
Yeah.
Ang price action niya. Tapos nag-jump to ng $10 ata. Tapos retrace siya ngayon 7.8, 7.6 territory. So if we compare naman kay Axie before, it's a simple game lang si Axie, pero we can see some demand eh. Unlike this one na para siyang may mga tournaments ata din itong si Mavia, and then yung backers nito sobrang lakas din. Same goes with Axie Infinity before. Yeah, in terms of total supply niya, mas maliit siya kay AXS. Yun yung isa sa na-observe ko lang talaga din sa kanya. Tapos hindi pa to masyadong minamarket ng ng team eh. More on siguro ngayon yung nagpapagalaw siguro yung mga crypto exchange lang eh. Once na ma-list yan, wala pa yung mga new players na once na ma-obserbahan yung price actions nitong si Mavia. But then again, sobrang positive ako nung time na kasi $3, $4, $5 yung price actions. Pero right now, it's different scenario. Maybe we'll wait some retracements. We'll see kung paano ito magma-materialize itong si Heroes of Mavia. And kahit paano, lots of exchanges. I think recently yung sa TH, it was listed.
Totoo,
si Mavia. We'll see. Pero yeah, maybe for me, below $10 is
a good buying zone.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. So, yun, sinabi ko lang yun, okay guys, hindi namin sinasabi na okay, bili kayo guys. Ako nakikinig kasi ako sa kanya eh. So
yeah. Meron pala nakikinig. Kala ko tayo.
Ako, nakikinig talaga ako sa kanya kasi one-on-one lang to. Yung pakinamin sa inyo. Joke lang. So, ako guys, yun lang. I'm just being honest. So, please do not deem this as a financial advice. We're just like talking about it. Our previous experiences, okay? So, wag kayo dyang hitik sa pagpindot ng buy button. Okay? So, hindi porket nasa $7 yan ngayon, okay? Baka bumili bili kayo agad. Baka alam nyo na, anything can happen. So, it's a high volatile market and Gamify is just a fraction, okay? Like a small room inside the cryptocurrency, but one of the most eyed and also, money-making sector ng cryptocurrency, but also very dangerous part. Yeah. So, now, I want to share you, of course, palitan tayo. You mentioned me about Heroes of Mavia. I did not listen. Okay, I'm already watching you. I did not listen, so I don't want to repeat the history again. I did not listen when you said like Heroes of Mavia, it's under Ron. I was like looking at, na trauma kasi ako doon sa ibang mga gaming na sinasabi nila na, may bago kaming game. I don't want to mention any blockchain right now or layer ones na gumagawa nito. Maglalabas sila ng game just to stimulate their old game. Then papaikutin yung pera and magiging honeypot potential siya. So that's why I was like scared about with the Heroes of Mavia. I didn't say that there's a honeypot potential. I don't have substantial clues or any evidence, but sayang hindi ako nakinig. Yan yung sinasabi ko. But can I share you something? Okay, kasi gusto ko bayaran yung sinabi mo Heroes of Mavia. Hindi ako nakinig. Ngayon, I will try best buying zones, okay, out of your idea. Then I'll do my due diligence and how I will be able to get into Mavia and finally listen to you. But I want to share you a game na I think also na masasabi mo ay sayang. I think it's a little bit also trying to do the same competition as Ronin. This Avax chain is also like in there already. So I gave this like few months ago, like February. So just to be specific, I gave this around February first week. I told them like, this one is trying to do a move. Tapos pinakawalan ko sa member siya sa mga nagbabayad dito. Kasi hindi na ako nagbibigay ng libre. Hindi na ako nagbibigay ng libre kasi nasisisi ako. Sinisisi ako na, bakit mo sinabi to? Hindi naman gumana. So dito, maintindihan na nila na okay, may bayad to para malaman ko kung sino lang talaga yung nakakaalam. Then, masasabihan ko sila na eto binili ko lang to kasi tingin ko talaga may potential siya or something like that. But I'm not gonna tell them na, bili kayo neto. But this is one of the games that I'm looking at right now. It's Affin. Okay, so papaikliin ko na explanation neto. Affin is like Palworld and cryptocurrency version of Pokemon. Okay, so parang ang may Pokemon tas GPS, walk, ganon. So huli-huli Pokemon, then very same concept. Then also they're trying to monetize as well yung yung GPS. They want to help a decentralized GPS for everybody by just using this game. It's a little bit hard for that kind of fundamentals. And tsismis pa lang kasi yun. But yun yung nagiging rumor sa loob. So everyone's like a little bit bullish about it. But the reason why this market really pumped, okay, kasi I gave this around February. So we're a little bit early. I'm not gonna say like we're super early. We started around February here. Nung binigay ko siya is we're here. Nagpump na siya ng konti. And I said it might retrace pero hindi na siya nag-retrace. So nasa 0.2-ish kami. Tapos nung naging super confident na ako, nung medyo gumagalaw na siya, nagkakaroon na tayo ng break of support and resistances from this previous high which is nung July 21. Pero meron nga akong PTSD sa mga games. Hindi ko siya binili dito. Pero I've been watching this game for a while because yun nga, there's a small fundamental na yun na parang they're really trying to do what Google did for maps. Kasi medyo alam ko kung ano yung paano nila napaganda yung stocks nila just because of maps. Yung Maps app. Now, many of us in the members right now are in Affin. Okay, I will not say that it is the best opportunity to get in. We already broke the previous resistance and everyone is so bullish about this game. It's because of the full support of Avax chain. And they're saying now, oh guys, like with Avax and its community, oh guys, we're gonna try our best to stimulate the gaming na meron tayo dito sa blockchain. So that's why I'm so bullish about Afin alone by just looking at the Avax chain kasi yun nga may yung support na binibigay ng blockchain na to na itong layer 1 na to is really parang Solana yung datingan, but they're more in the institutional side, not just like okay, create kayo, support namin, dito create kayo, then let's see if we will be able to find support from like institutions, like sabihin natin okay, mga VCs etc na mapagkakatiwala, and then we can fund the game. So yun yung reasons kung bakit any game na matingin ko na ibubuo sa loob ng Avax ngayon is going to be like a little bit bullish than what we had before. Kasi Krabada, di ba? If you remember Krabada, do you remember Krabada?
I think naririnig ko siya pero yeah.
Yan. So, nakita nyo naman yung price na ito, umangat-angat, tapos yun, flat na. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari dito. I will not talk about this. I'm not gonna ruin any, badmouth this. But I'm just saying na when we are trying to start something in Avax before, it's like this. But with right now, it's like a slow thrive. That's why I like Avax right now, because they're really making sure whoever comes in as a initial investor it's not gonna be just because for the money. It's because of the true potential of this market or whatever. Sabihin natin katulad na ito, nag-up siya ng 2022, ngayon nag-down siya, pero we see like there's a movement do sa mga baba niya. Unlike with the other games like Rabada, we have DeFi Kingdoms, of course. Ayan, I'm sure narinig mo yan. DeFi Kingdoms, yung
yeah.
Jewel ba yan? I'm not sure. Jewel nga ba? Yata. DeFi Kingdoms. Yan. So, ito yung mga na-miss out ko. So, ito yung mga assets na na-miss out ko nung kasagsagan ng P2E. And medyo maganda yung the way how they faucet things. When we say faucet is yung parang sa mga nanonood, yung paano yung makakakuha ka ng earn mula dun sa paglalaro mo dito sa game na to. Then those are the games that I was like trying to look kung may natutunan ba tong Avax from their previous games eh. So maybe that is the reason why as well we see a little bit like confidence with Afin. Not because of the speculation, maybe probably yes, because na huhook siya dun sa idea ng mukha siyang katulad ng Google. They're trying to help a specific another narrative na pwedeng mag-resolve by just having a game, tas mapa-improve natin yung GPS locations etc. Parang ganun. But yun, ito yung share ko sa'yo. Yan, Afin, I hope you'll be able to read it. Okay, I'm gonna read, I promise, I'm gonna read Mavia again, like read other sentiments right now once I have time within this week. Then my next question, ito na.
Si Alrock daw, gusto ma-drop.
gusto ko.
Bro, kamusta?
gusto ko i-invite yan si Sir Alrock eh. Inaawitan ko na yan sila, hindi ako pinansin sa busy sila sa Mavia.
Busy.
Hindi ako napansin. Ako nga, shoutout Motoshi. Yan, so, yun nga, those are my gems, and we were able to like somehow make money. Nag 10x, nakapag 10x kami. Probably sana kung medyo naging confident ako, but yeah, PTSD, pag may ganun ka talaga, may mga ganun ka, may iwan ka ng market eh, parang ganun. So yun, so I hope you guys wag kayo gumaya sa akin. Maging more on research kayo, more on sentiment lagi. Okay, so yun, are they I have a question again with the technical analysis. Babalik lang ako ng konti. technical analysis is often used in conjunction with fundamental. Nagdidikit yung dalawang yan. So, to make more informed trading decisions, how do you balance these two in your analysis? Specifically, ngayon sa gaming as well. So, nahati na yung attention mo. And what way do you give to factors like adoption rates, yan, yung mga sinabi mo with the government, etc., regulations, etc., or institutional involvement?
Fundamentals and technicals, tama bro?
Yes.
How I balance?
Yeah.
Yeah. Siguro, pag trader ka, you need to be ready sa market. You need to be equipped by those information, especially fundamentals. You need to stay informed. It's very important. Siya kumbaga recipe siya recipe na siya ng trading yung fundamental analysis na kumbaga i-cross validate mo siya sa technical side. But normally may mga times nito last few years ago na mas mataas yung fundamentals compare sa technical with the crypto market. This is back in 2016, 2017, but at the end of the day, you need to adapt those changes sa market if we can see for the price actions with BTC, it needs to be cross-validate na sa technicals kasi volume, having this decent volume na unlike before na new price, kumbaga new price discovery, new price innovation. Hindi naman siya kagaya ng forex na sobrang okay na yung established na yung volume, established na yung pinaka chart patterns niya. It takes a decade na pero just to balance, I think kumbaga obligation mo being a trader, responsibility mo na kailangan i-balance yun. And for me, it's very essential yung dalawang yan. If may mga scenario naman na if magaling ka sa technical analysis, then stick with it. And for the fundamentals, if there's no news, sometimes may mga trader na they don't trade. It's better to take a rest. Sabi nga nila, no trade is trade pa rin.
Touch grass muna.
Touch grass, yeah.
So yun nga natatawa kasi ako kasi ganun na ganun ako katulad ng sinasabi niya. So like 100% parang sinasabi niya ganito CEO. So ganun na ganun ako guys. Ganun na ganun ako. Ayokong lumilikot. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa previous videos ko na pag bull market, wag na natin gawin ulit yon. Ginawa ko na naman siya nung recent 48K. I was like really waiting for a break. Pero I was like a little bit early when we did it. Then we just came back around 53 to 54K. Then that resembles dun sa sinabi niya na dapat talaga, lalo na we're in a bull market cycle, we don't want to be, we're already diversifying and we're successful in that one here in our channel. And you have your own tokens, I have my own gems, I have my own assets. So kayong mga nanonood, you have your own suggestions, you have your own opinions, your research and everything. I hope you guys stick to that. Kasi if magkamali or maging tama yun, wala kayong masisisihin kundi sarili mo. Then right now we're just here to spark your interest. Okay, pagtapos itong video na to, research ko yung mga videos ni Crypto Fortune, nila Alarak. Tignan ko yung mga research paper nila GB, research paper nila Oso na sinasubmit sa membership. Since nasa membership ako, I pay couple of $3 lang para sa libreng data, etc. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. If may sarili kayo, katulad nung sinasabi niya nga, the experience always beats the person na talagang matalino pero bago pa lang sa market. Alam niyo yun, it really gives you that edge already. So you don't want to waste that. Then if the market's now bull run, do not move and move and move. Just keep on chasing yun. Katulad na ito, porket sinabi namin Afin, you're gonna buy in, and lalo na nandito na yung market. You don't wanna do that, of course. Sa mga nanonood, you don't wanna do this. And I've been always repeating, you don't like this kind of price action. Tapos papasok ka, tapos you papanoorin mo na lang yung pera mong maging zero. Kasi it will try to retrace, then matatakot ka, then you're gonna trade your money on a loss. So we don't want that. Okay, so what we want you to do is to have the initial action as, okay, research mo na ako. Then try to learn technical analysis katulad ng mga sinabi ni Sir Aldrin right now, ni Crypto Fortune. I want you guys to also connect your fundamentals by checking your technical analysis. So may technical analysis ka na, you can go with the white papers of what you're trying to trade right now or trying to get into. Tignan natin nga itong Afin, tignan natin yung website niya. Okay ba yung UI, UX? Okay ba yung white paper neto, etc. So yun yung pinalawig na idea na sinasabi ni Sir Aldrin. And yun nga, ako yun yung sinasabi niya na ayoko gumalaw. But for you guys, I'm trying my best na gumalaw. Makita niyo yung talo ko. Kasi that's the real life of a trader and investor na nag-speculate. Especially ako, sentimental, chismoso lang talaga ako, guys. O, hindi ako yung masasabi niyo na sobrang galing, ganun. Hindi ako malapit dun, guys. Okay, tumatama lang. Pero ang dami kong mali bago ko makuha yung tama na yan. Then, natsatsambahan niyo lang, tama siya ngayon. So, malay niyo, bukas mali ako, tapos sunod mali. Tapos, alis kayo, tapos tama na naman ako, tapos balik kayo. So ganun din, pwedeng kay Crypto Fortune makikita nyo na okay, he will have this like down phase ng buhay na okay, hindi ako masyado nanonood ngayon kay Crypto Fortune, hindi ko nasusundan yung mga trading bots, etc. Hindi ako nakinig sa kanya dun sa Heroes of Mafia. I could have been like a little bit early as well along with him, because I was not consistent with my yung sarili kong takes and research and etc. I hope you guys do not repeat those mistakes. We are trying to expose yung mga mistakes namin by having this kind of talks. Okay, not just the wins that we have. Okay, those are just like part of the rewards. That's not the goal. The goal is to have all of those experience all at once. Mga mali, mga tama, tapos the goal is to really just stay in the market, have more experience, tapos reward nyo na lang yung kung ano yung kikitain nyo. And of course, there will be negative, merong positive na kita talaga. So we cannot guarantee that. This is cryptocurrency, guys. Pero for sure, kung maaga ka, of course, speed is everything. So I have another actually this is my last question. Ayoko na masyadong pabayan. I know how busy you are. For those who are new to technical analysis, kasi ako, I already mentioned what for this matter, yung para sa mga bago. Ito, sa mga bago sa technical analysis or just starting to learn about it, I know you have your own platform, nagtuturo ka. Guys, you can visit his channel. It's on the screen right now. Okay, what advice would you give to them, or to me as well, on how to develop their skills or my skills and use that technical analysis effectively in our trading strategies, whether scalping, short-term, long-term investments, etc. What will be your opinion na lang? Sige, ayoko na sabihin advice kasi it's not advice, guys. Okay, opinion niya na pwede niya sabihin sa akin na pwede makadagdag sa sa strats ko.
Yun, siguro for the beginners naman, we have different judgment pagdating sa market eh. Siguro isa sa mga, if babalikan ko yung journey ko, my early stage ng trading, I made a lot of mistakes and losses kasi, and I reflect from those mistakes. I learned from those losses na nangyari. I think isa sa mga magpapa kumbaga magpapa-experience sa'yo ng or tawag dito, magpapa-realize sa'yo na something's wrong with your setups is that yung mga ginawa mong mistakes or losses and if yun support and resistance is just a basic indicator lang pag beginner ka. May mga beginner din na gusto mag-explore just to learn talaga. So like sa spot is just a basic for the beginner talaga yan. Pero may mga beginner din na gustong itry yung derivatives, yung may mga leverage, something. Pero that's very risky if you don't have any ideas pa sa spot na kung paano gumagalaw yung price actions with the use of these other indicators like moving averages and RSI as well as support resistance. So make it simple lang. Make as long as you do trades tapos you get some losses, you made a mistakes. I think it was kumbaga it's ano na siya normal on the early stage, no? But yeah, for me reflect from those experience sa mga mistakes na nangyari. Sabi nga nila, if wala ka pang losses, mistakes, kumbaga hindi ka pa nag-move forward dun sa comfort zone mo. So parang sa trading, yun, pag beginners ka, yun yung isa sa mga ano ko siguro, ask questions as well kasi before walang mga medium of communications na specific in crypto space. So more on like traditional lang. Like before, unlike today na sobrang dami na. So you can just ask doon sa may mga experience so that magkaroon ka ng informed decisions sa end mo. Like the risk and reward. Yun siguro yung isa sa mga advantage ngayon ng mga newbies na merong mga tao na may mga experience na talaga that can minimize yung probabilities ng potential losses, no? So yun, ask questions. That's very important.
Since ask questions, sinabi niya yan guys. Pwede na kayo mag-ask questions tapos sasagutin ni Sir Alden or ni Sir Crypto Fortune. Guys, mag-ask na kayo ng question. Okay. So ito mayroon tayong nagsabi dito, journal is a must talaga. So since may nag-mention ng journal, how did you start your journal? Yan. So brief answer.
Alright. Sa end ko, bro, no? Actually, yung journal, isa sa mga sa end ko kasi as mentioned kanina early ng live stream natin, I do content creation. So aside from taking notes dito sa mga sticky notes as well as meron ako ditong whiteboard something. So I observe my behavior then during the time na I edit my videos dun sa specific trades ko na ginawa na okay, ganito pala yung naging emotion ko. Kumbaga I recorded this emotion na next time kailangan ko nang baguhin to kasi it's not good for my approach sa market. It's not good for my trades. It's totally bad. Doon ko na evaluate yung sarili ko nung I do content creation and I edit those replays, no. In terms of journaling naman, I think 2019 I think na-share ko yung pinaka spreadsheet ng journal ko ata if natatandaan ko. So I started ng journaling sa Excel naman. I write those losses, ano yung naging mistakes ko doon sa loss na yon. Like I entry this zone without confirmations. 2 criterias pa lang yung nag-confirm, pero I just take trades 2-3 criteria something. So yun, yeah, I think yun yung isa sa mga approach ko in terms of journaling. I have sticky notes, I write down ng mga kailangang I-take notes, trading journals as well, online. I have this Excel before. Yeah.
Mhm. Ayun. So, I agree din kasi may mas malaki akong whiteboard. Okay, naninigas na nga minsan yung mga doon, yung mga ink ko doon, hindi na nabubura kahit whiteboard yun kasi talagang ayaw ko burahin yung ibang totoo yun guys, totoo yun, hindi yun chika, hindi yun dahil may pinakita siya, hindi yun chika guys, okay, hindi nagkataon, okay, hindi namin to pinlano, totoo yun, okay, may sticky notes etc, may Excel, so kung hindi kayo marunong mag-Excel guys, there's always a first time guys, try, okay, hindi ko sasabihin na okay, mag-stick na lang kayo sa sticky note or so if first time nyo mag-Excel guys, pinakitaan ko rin kayo ng Excel ng somehow nung mga hawak ko. Tapos pinapakita ko sa inyo yung live price ng mga asset na yun. So ang dami nang magpapadali ng lahat. Pwede nyo na iutos sa AI, pagawan kayo ng mga ganon. Pwede guys. Okay, take leverage. Okay, take risk on those matter. Wag sa derivatives, wag sa futures agad yung risk nyo. Okay, put it on like paying $5, paying $3 sa mga ganyan na or $20 sa OpenAI, 'di ba? So I want you guys to like take risks in order for you guys to learn instead of taking risk because may sasabihin ako na gem, huwag kayong magme-membership ng ganun-ganun lang kasi madedismaya lang kayo kahit saan, kahit kanino. Guys, always leverage on yourself, yung potential nyo. So tama yung sinasabi ni Sir Aldrin. Okay, so may nagtanong dito, fiancé ko to guys. Okay? Fiancé ko to, Sir Aldrin. May nagtanong. Tanong niya is, how do you overcome greed when trading?
Yeah, isa sa mga challenging yan, no? Kasi it's part of psychology, yung nature natin yan bilang tao eh. That's why trading setups is very important. You have this risk and reward setups, like you have these take profits and stops, no? So if may systematic approach ka sa trading, like pag tumataas yung isang assets is that may mas tumataas din yung natin, confidence natin eh. That's why we tend to hold it instead of taking profits. So if meron tayong pinaka-setups like as mentioned, if ma-hit man yon, okay na yon. Kumbaga it will be acknowledged na yung profits na yon. And doon kasi papasok doon mawawala yung pinaka-grid if we have trading setups eh. So like if I contested the price actions with BTC last night, I see some potential setups for 6960 or 68 territory that potentially price action may go to the upside. So I set my target sa upside around 70, that's my take profit. So meaning for on that setup pa lang, wala nang emotion involved doon eh. Doon sa ginawa mong setups na yun. For me, taking profits is very challenging when like yung setups mo is doing good, but always in mind that once the price action move to the upside, there's retracements na mangyayari. Meron pa ring retracements or pagkakaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, which is yun siguro yung isa din sa approach ko na I'll take profits this one, maybe tomorrow this price action may retrace na, or this price actions may go to the downside and potentially baka mag-break even lang ako. So yun yung pinaka-approach ko lang naman sa trading. Yung trading setups is very important. if meron kang systematic approach, you have these systems of stop loss and take profits. So yung emotions may be eliminates yun.
Yeah, I truly agree on that one. Nababanggit ko na rin yan sa fiancé ko. But it's really hard to say it, lalo na kung hindi ko praktisado kasi I'm more of a long-term investor. My investment ako, I always like speculate on assets, then let the green plays, like it's work. Hindi ako yung parang I will stay on in a asset tapos titingnan ko 15 minutes tapos i-short long ko. Hindi ako yung ganong trader. That's why I'm more I have this huge humility sa mga katulad mo, sir, kasi you compete with other countries for then you show a lot of videos. Yan, makikita nyo sa screen, guys. He has a kumbaga mataba na yung experience niya when it comes to whatever type of investor. So that's why ang humility ko, yung kung pag makikinig ako sa kanya, I really take it as parang, oy guys, parang ganun. Oy, also parang magagamit mo to, then ako, I will always right away try to use it on my strategy, then cancel some of my strategies if it doesn't resonate on dun sa textbook na katulad ng mga sinasabi niya. That's textbook, guys, eh. So yun, I have my personal question. So, may sinabi siya sabi dito, pa-member kayo sa akin, di pa, parapol daw niya. Joke lang. Invest talaga din sa knowledge. So, ayun, I have my last question. Okay, this is my personal question as a, behind also the chismoso or behind also bear. My question is, in the end of the day, how do you, because I believe, okay, ako, maybe it's just me. How I believe it is, this is just a personality that we wear. It's just another mask that we wear. After we get off the chair, get off our phones, like, Binance or Coinbase or whatever that you use, guys. Okay, I know that this is a personality, or at least what I believe. Ikaw, how do you get back to that personality pag okay, time to trade na? Parang, do you have any ritual na ginagawa? Kasi katulad ni si Achilles, di ba, dadapot siya ng alikabok sa lupa, tapos aamuyin niya yun. Parang ganun siya, para masabi niya, okay, I'm a warrior now, I'm gonna go in the battle, parang ganun. So ikaw, what do you do? Ano yung yung laging una mong tignan muna sa market? Ano yung pambuhay mo ng eto yung ginagawa ko. Tignan ko muna yung higher time frame, lower time frame, tapos malalaman ko na okay, scalper ako today. Parang ganun. Something like that. What do you do? What's your practice every day?
Okay. Yung parang pinaka-trigger mo, no, just to boost yung pinaka day-to-day basis mo. May siguro na lang, before sa akin, may mga kakilala ko, they tend to do this yoga, swimming before they look for the sa chart. Pero sa akin kasi mas nung pinasok ko yung crypto, mas halos sobrang na-utilize ko yung time din eh. So ang normally routine ko is that I tend to like coffee, and then pagkatapos niyan ay sort out those news, like sa Krip-Panic, kung ano yung mga nangyari the past nung time na under hibernation ako nung time na yon. So ano yung nangyari the past couple of hours or couple of 24 hours sa crypto space. So just you can see that naman sa Krip-Panic. So I sorted those news before I jump in dun sa chart. And after that, I check my YouTube channel, how ano yung mga questions ng community. Yun talaga din yung isa sa mga chine-check ko. Kung may mga comments sila, related to this content, like kung meron pa silang feedbacks, kasi I think isa sa good communication ng both parties if you get reply doon sa feedbacks nila. So I do reply those comments muna, and then if sa tingin ko okay na yung routine na yon, that's the time na I do check my trades, my charts, like BTC muna. Na yung nangyari dito sa price actions with BTC. And hindi totally perfect na ganun yung nagagawa ko in everyday routine ko, kasi for me yung hindi siya totally hindi mo control yung time, hindi mo control yung mangyayari into day to day, like today, tomorrow. So yun, as much as I can, ganun yung ginagawa ko. So coffee muna, tapos basa ng message, ano yung mga updates sa community. Hindi totally perfect yung pinaka-routine ko, I would say siguro. And I have this day naman na wala talaga akong trades, bro. I tend to play na lang ng play online games lang. So, yeah.
I appreciate you guys. I mean, you sir, na sinasabi mo yon, kasi ako naghahanap ako ng outlet sometimes, pero minsan naiisip ko parang nauubos yung oras ko sa pagre-research lang, kasi pag may isang idea ka nakita, okay, nanganganak siya ng idea, so nabubuhos ko na yung oras ko lahat doon parang ganun. So I don't have this like doon sa whiteboard ko, ginawan ko na tuloy siya ng parang okay, parang ito yung gagawin ko today na dump, kumbaga, tapos tsaka ko i-distribute sa bawat oras na gagawin ko, imbes na upo ako doon tapos sabihin ko hindi, magre-research ako para alam ko yung gagawin ko sa buong portfolio ko. So you give me an idea and I appreciate that. Thank you sir, kasi gagamitin ko siya. Then now brother, I don't want to waste much of your time already. I really appreciate you hopping into my live. And guys, he has a YouTube channel. You can really visit his contents. He's been doing a lot of contents for the past 4-5 years. Okay, then sir, do you have any other na gusto mo i-plug, or mga links, or any thing that you wanna say na sa mga nanonood?
Yes, yeah, I think yan sa YouTube lang naman, tapos mga previous events naman next week, I'll be posting naman sa Facebook and sa Twitter. Crypto Fortune, and careful na lang din sa mga gumagaya. Please be careful sa mga fake accounts.
Yeah. Anyway, ang dami ko nakitang fake accounts mo actually, and nadapuan nga ako ng fake DM dati when Axie Infinity was like really booming, then like asking for yun nga to click some certain links. So guys, sa mga nasa viewers, please be careful with fake links. So if you go here, you'll be able to see his Discord channel. Nandito siya. Pwede nyo i-click yan. Ayoko i-click kasi baka nakalagin yung totoong account ko dito. Okay? So, may makita kayong email ko na totoong pangalan ko. So, I don't wanna dox, okay? For some purposes. So, guys, you can click that link, then you'll be able to, you'll be able to see a lot of his other contents within Discord. Then doon yung makukuha yung pinaka-chunk talaga ng iba niyang links for Facebook, because he's also like active. Then ini-invite din siya ng iba't ibang mga news outlets in the Philippines, and mga kilalang influencers who's discussing a lot of more on finance, not just with crypto. That's a really important thing to tell you guys, na kaya kung bakit in-invite ko siya, why is a important puzzle in my day-to-day, and also with my overall, kasi lalo na ngayon nasa gamify tayo. That's why I was like really into that. But yeah, since yun na yung last question ko, isi-send ko na lang tong ibang question, then kukunin ko yung sagot niya, pipilitin ko siyang mag-DM back sa akin. Alam kong busy siya. But I don't wanna put him here a little longer pa. But yeah, thank you so much, Sir Aldrin, and I hope there will be a next time. Thank you so much sa laging pag yes mo lagi sa mga invites ko. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, welcome bro. Anytime.
All right.
Walang problema, yeah.
And
Thank you guys sa time nyo. Yeah. I really appreciate din sa invite, bro.
Yan, so that's Crypto Fortune, guys, and I hope you guys like and subscribe his channel and my channel. Please do not forget to also comment. Please make sure that if you will be clicking some links, make sure it's the official links, not in these comments. Kung may makita kayong link dyan na hindi ko nabura or ng mga admins natin dito na nagwa-watch out for links, okay? Do not click those links in the comments. Just click whatever is on the screen. Then you can just search Crypto Fortune, 98.7k subscribers with 840 videos. So please guys, chismis lang lahat ng yun. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuhin at kilusan. Nang sa gayon, ang lahat ng ito ay ating makamtan. At syempre, stay awesome guys. Good night. And thank you sir. Have a great night sir as well. Thank you po.
Thank you bro. Yeah, have a great day.
Ayan. So, have a great night guys. Thank you so much. Yung mga question nyo, i-park nyo, send nyo. Ayan, may tanong yung fiancé ko. So, i-send ko na lang to guys. Then, I hope you guys, huwag kayo magtampo kasi ayokong i-hold siya. Meron siyang other meeting. So, ayun nga, pinagbigyan niya tayo. Siningit niya tayo guys. And, dapat grateful na tayo doon guys. Okay? So, thank you guys sa mga please send your questions. Yung mga nasa members guys, magpapakawala ako ng isang document mamaya. Then, i-send ko sa inyo sa community post in a public. Lahat kayong mga nanonood, makikita nyo whether you're a member or not. You'll be able to see why AVAX is the one that I'm looking at for gaming as well. Okay, since we don't have much time to explain it. But thank you sa mga nandito, yun, lalo na yan, yung mga sikat dito na nandito ngayon. Yan sila Sir Alrak. Tapos may mga dumapo kanina na ayaw magpa-mention na nakita akong dito. Yan sila to si yung Barangay Tamago guys, kay Mike Tamago guys, punta kayo din doon. You can be able to see since everyone is like asking for the gaming etc. I'm a balance of everything. Lahat ng chismis, yun lang yung chinichismis ko guys. Okay, so nandito sila GB guys. You can also like ask questions. Mga nasa members, makikita nyo yung mga sinasabi niya doon, mga data. So yung mga nagtatanong as well with other documents na gusto nilang ipapublic guys, hindi ko pwedeng ipublic basta-basta yan guys kasi may nagbabayad for the document. Hindi ko gustong bayad tong channel na to, but I was just forced to do it is because I wanna put a gateway. So I hope that is understandable. Wag kayong sasamahan loob kasi may mga na-auto-block dito na nagpapabayad tayo. So hindi yun yung pinaka-reason. It's because I already did the freebie. No one respected it. Tapos ni-repurpose, tapos na-take into a bad thing. Tapos naging mali yung some of my research. Then ayun, so nandaming naligaw. So I don't want that to happen again. So big shoutout sa lahat ng mga nandito. Yan kay Kim Gambit, sa fiancé ko, most especially kay Asen. Big shoutouts kay Mikias, kay Toshi, kay Merskov. Big shoutouts kay Eggsy. Yan yung mga pinakamatatagal na dito guys. And big shoutouts kay Ram NFT. Sorry hindi ko nasagot yung tanong mo Ram NFT with Aevo. I saw Aevo pero I did not talk about it because it's being talked by one of the biggest VC. Okay, and also pinag-uusapan siya ni Virtual Bacon. So I don't do that thing. Okay, hindi ako ganon. Pag pinag-usapan na siya, hindi ko na siya pag-uusapan. Gusto ko ako lagi yung una mag-uusap, tapos oy sir, also pinag-usapan mo to dati and ngayon pinag-uusapan na neto. So yun yung indicator ko kasi, hindi dahil mayabang ako, medyo pero yun kasi indicator ko. Lagi kong hinahanap yon para masabi ko na okay, tama yung research ko kasi ngayon pa lang siya pag-uusapan. So parang ganun. So thank you so much guys. Big shoutouts kay Paul, kay The Wolf as well. Yan, big shoutouts kay GB. Yan, big shoutouts kay Cousins Vlog. Yan, so wala na bang papa-shoutout guys? Yan, so have a great night guys and thank you so much, and chismis lang yun guys. Okay, so good night. Hindi ko na ulitin yung natin. Sinama ko kasi dapat nandun si Sir para marinig nyo na lahat ng sinabi niya, chismis lang din yun. Nagchichismisan lang kami guys. Okay. Men chismis lang yun. Okay. Chismis by men. Okay. So, have a great night. Thank you so much guys.